comments on this video, we're gonna do a giveaway probably in tomorrow's video based on the comments on this video. That thing sounds sweet. Alex, what are you doing over there?
Oh, welcome back.
Welcome back. What's up, guys? It's Monday. We're running a little slow today. Had a great weekend though. We went and did some riding on the big wheels. If you didn't get a chance, check out those videos. But yeah, it's time to get this YZ250 Trike finished up. I've got an awesome graphics kit that my wife just finished up. So let's get it installed. And we're gonna go ahead and get this thing started up and possibly take it for a test ride. Let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Oh man, this thing's looking pretty badass. Let's get it started up, and then we'll do a walk around while this thing's running so you guys can actually hear it run. I don't want to make you guys wait any longer. This thing sounds freaking badass, so I'm gonna do a couple more heat cycles, do a bolt check, and let's take it outside and just ride it around the shop and see how it does. I'm gonna ride it around a little bit. A couple heat cycles. We're gonna go up front and do another walk around so you guys will get into this thing. I really like this seat. Like the seat? Something about the older YZ250, it's super comfy. I like the angle of it too on this bike. So this is a 2021 Yamaha YZ250. It's awesome that Yamaha still makes this bike. It allows us to make modern trikes out of it. You can basically have a brand new Tri-Z if you really want to. Hopefully do more of these kits. We've been doing a lot of Honda kits lately, and I think guys need to start giving a look to these YZ250 because they're unbelievable. We got our full trait conversion kit on here. Everything from a custom subframe, custom swing arm. So all this stuff's made in-house. We got an aluminum airbox right here that now comes with the kit. That's something a lot of guys have been asking for. We've got our billet protection on here from the disc guard to the sprocket guard. Any kind of rocks or anything you want to drive over, that sprocket guard is going to drive you right over it. You guys can see got the billet triple clamps on here. Now our customer went with a number plate. This bike does not have a charging system from the factory. If you want to put a charging system on these, you can, and then you can run the old school dual style headlight, which is pretty cool. So everything from billet triples down to the billet hubs. And guys, I'm sorry if I sound repetitive in a lot of these videos, but we have so many new users coming on our channel every single day, so I try to actually remind them what we actually do. And again, you can purchase this complete trike kit from bbctrikes.com. Now, I'm gonna do a discount code. I haven't done this before, but we're gonna do a discount code in this video. So if you go to bbctrikes.com, the code's gonna be YZ250 USA. YZ250 USA. You can save 10% off on your complete kit, which is a lot of money. So we got solid mount foot pegs on this bike. We replaced the folding ones. Yamaha has a nice mounting flange on this frame. For the guys that do want the folding ones, we are going to be offering those soon for the YZ250. A really simple bike. It's just awesome that Yamaha is still making 2-strokes, and I try to support them as much as I can. We've got the thumb throttle conversion kit. That's also going to be on our website for YZ250s. So we have a special fitting that goes on the top of the carburetor to make this cable and make this throttle work. It's more of a, I guess, motocross style theme. And the cool thing about it, you want to ride dunes, you want to ride trails, you can just throw 20-inch tires in the back of this thing or paddle tires, and away you go. We have this chassis set up pretty much in a neutral position for our customer, so he can adjust the fork height, he can adjust the sag and everything, and basically get this thing fine-tuned how he wants to ride it. And this is actually going to be shipping out all the way to Dubai, so pretty freaking badass. So we're shipping bikes overseas, and this is just one of many that are going out. But anyway, guys, again, use that discount code and head over to bbctrikes.com. You guys can give us a call. Any questions, just shoot us an email, bbctrikes@gmail.com. And if you haven't yet, you got to subscribe to this channel. We've got tons of giveaways coming, and all the comments on this video, we're going to do a giveaway probably in tomorrow's video based on the comments on this video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.